Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Dr. Ali Asghar, consultant endocrinologist from Karachi, Pakistan. And today I would be talking about diabetes and the coronavirus. As you all know, we are right in the middle of a COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. Here in Karachi, people are in partial lockdown for the last 4 weeks, and I believe same is the situation with more than 1/3 of the world population, because more and more countries are having either partial or complete lockdowns to fight this COVID-19 pandemic. I may tell you all that 10% of the world's adult population has diabetes, and many of these people with diabetes are quite worried as to how they should be controlling their diabetes in this COVID-19 pandemic. And they're also worried as to what are their chances of getting this COVID-19 infection and what if they get it actually. So there are many questions that we would be addressing through this presentation. The first and the foremost question is, are people with diabetes more at risk of getting coronavirus infection? Well, the answer is no, not at all. There is no evidence that people with diabetes are more at risk of contracting COVID-19 infection. This is great news. This means that somebody who's a diabetic has the same risk of getting coronavirus infection as somebody who is not a diabetic. Fantastic news. The next question is, can people with diabetes get a more severe, complicated coronavirus infection? Well, the answer is yes. People with diabetes appear to be at increased risk of getting severe or complicated course with coronavirus infection. Why is this so? Why more severe and complicated coronavirus infection in people with diabetes? Well, the answer is the immune system. Because the immune system of diabetes people is slightly less active than immune system of people without diabetes. And this is mainly because of the uncontrolled blood sugars that the diabetic person may have. So how to have strong immunity with diabetes? The answer is extremely simple. Control your diabetes. But as much as the answer is simple, it is that much difficult actually to control your diabetes during this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's see, what do we mean by controlled diabetes? What is controlled diabetes? So when I say controlled diabetes, the fasting blood glucose should be between 70 and 130 milligrams per deciliter. The random blood glucose should be between 80 and 180 milligrams per deciliter. And the 3-month blood sugar average, the HbA1c, should be less than 7.0%. And this is for most diabetic people, not all obviously. So this is controlled diabetes. So how to control diabetes? So diabetes management has got 3 pillars: healthy eating, physical activity, taking medications as prescribed, be them oral medications or insulin. Now if you see in these 3 pillars of diabetes management, it becomes difficult. You see, healthy eating. Now in this lockdown situation, you're at home 24 hours and you get the desire to eat most of the time. So what to do? Physical activity again becomes a challenge in this lockdown situation because you cannot go out. So this means it is difficult in this pandemic to keep all these 3 pillars intact and control your diabetes. But remember that you have to control your diabetes if you want to prevent yourself from a severe coronavirus infection. So let's talk about the general prevention against the COVID-19. Now most of you already know about it. I would just emphasize on the key important points. Number 1, social distancing. Very important to keep away from people. At least keep a distance of 1 to 2 meters between people. Now when you go out, which you should not, you should be staying at home, keep distance. Wear a mask. Wash your hands frequently with water, at least for 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizers. Clean the surfaces because this coronavirus can stay on surfaces for hours and even days. And the most important thing is, stay at home. Do not move out of your home except when it is extremely necessary. The other challenge is keep moving at home. Now, you see, you're not going to your offices, you're not going to work, you're not going to schools and colleges, not going to for groceries. It's very important to keep yourself moving. You cannot go out for your routine exercises as well. But then you need to keep exercising at home. You can do exercise on a cycling machine, you can do treadmill, and if you're doing nothing, just keep moving your hands, just keep moving your legs, and just keep moving, because that is very important. Remember, one out of the 3 pillars of diabetes management is exercise, and you have to be on top of it. Take proper sleep. Now what is happening is, because people are not going out of the homes, so there is no offices, no work, so days and nights, they are becoming the same. So what is happening is people are staying awake in the night time, some not having that proper sleep in the daytime. As a result, people are not having that proper sleep which should be there, which is very essential in diabetic people. So if you ask me, diabetic people should have 7 to 9 hours of peaceful sleep every day. And it is very important in this lockdown situation that you sleep well, at least 7 to 9 hours. Anger and frustration. I mean, in lockdown situation, none of your plans is going to work. Work is closed, you cannot go out to shop, you just cannot move out, and sitting at home can give you more anger and frustration, you see. Anger and frustration can be there in anybody, but diabetics are more prone to getting anger and frustration. And when you get anger, when you get frustration, your blood sugars can go up, and uncontrolled diabetes is not good in this pandemic situation. So when you are angry, I would say just keep quiet for next 20-30 minutes. Maybe go and take a glass or 2 of water, go into your room, switch off the light, just lie down for half an hour. The anger usually subsides in 20-30 minutes, right? So try this, or try other things, but try not to be angry, not to be frustrated, because that is not good for you, especially in this pandemic situation. As the famous saying goes, he who conquers his anger has conquered an enemy. And remember, we are fighting against COVID-19, which is our enemy, and you don't need to be angry, dear people with diabetes. Depression is another factor that comes into play in this lockdown situation. Now you know 30 to 40% of diabetics, they already have depression. And in this lockdown situation, when you cannot go out, when you cannot do what you want to do, anybody can go into depression. And people with diabetes can also go into depression. But when people with diabetes go into depression, the blood sugars start to rise. And we do not want uncontrolled blood sugars. I already told you. Try and beat depression. How can you do that? I mean, I would suggest keep yourself busy. Don't remain free, because once you are not doing anything, you start thinking things, and that can bring you depression. So keep yourself busy. You can watch television, but I would advise not to watch the news channels too much. That can give you a lot of anxiety and depression. Try and watch movies, programs, educational programs, whatever you want to do. Maybe you can telephone your colleagues, your family and friends, have a chat, make a strong bond with your own family in this lockdown situation. But keep yourself busy. That's the buzzword. You don't need to tip into that depression phase. And when we talk about this pandemic, don't worry. This time shall pass too. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Now this pandemic doesn't come again. Last time it came was a century ago. So for me, if you ask me, in the last 4 weeks of this pandemic, although I'm going to the hospital as well, but obviously the workload is much less for me as an endocrinologist, I'm spending more time with my family. I've played many games with my kids which I might not have played for the last 1 year. So give more time to family, give more time to things that you do not usually give time. Make the best possible use of this pandemic. And once you start making things work for you in this pandemic, you start doing things in this lockdown, you beat anger, frustration and depression and you explore avenues that you have never explored before. And I'm sure, my dear people with diabetes, are going to do exactly that. This is my Facebook and YouTube channel, AA in Park, AAINPAK. There are many educational videos on diabetes and thyroid on my YouTube and Facebook channel. Thank you very much once again. Stay home, stay safe. Do not be angry, do not be frustrated, do not be depressed. We'll pass this time, and we'll pass this time with flying colors. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.